Kanina nakapag-edit ako, tulog kasi.
Si lola mo na lang pa-editin mo.
Panood lang. So, kunyari, this is high-speed base method. It works best for numbers like 96 times 97. Then, find the difference. Kunyari. Parang naalala ko to.
Yan yung
So, find the
ginagawa ko yung
difference of
mentally.
each number from 100. So, magwa 100 ka minus 96. Then, 100. Ba't 1,000? Minus 97. So, ito is magiging 4. Ito magiging 3. Subtract one of those differences diagonally from the opposite number. So, subtract mo daw siya dito, guys. So, 96 minus 3, magiging 23. Then, next mo naman, ano nung next? Multiply the two differences together. So, multiply mo naman itong dalawa. Ito subtract. Ito multiply. So, 12 yung last part. Weh. Ang galing. Kunyari, 98 times 92 o 93. Testing nga, testing. So, 9. Ito, 2 na to eh. Gets na to eh. Diba, 98. 100 pala. Ito, 2. Ito 100 tsaka 93, 7. Pag sinubtract natin to guys, magiging 91. Pag tinimes natin itong dalawa, magiging 14. Weh, tinga. Ito ba yun? 98 times 93. 4, 2, 27, 29, 72, 7, 81, 88, 4, 1, 1. Ala, totoo nga guys. Totoo ang balita. Ang galing.